Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining us. So before we even get started, y'all, I just want to go ahead and apologize if my voice starts to crack. I do have some water right here. I'm really trying to make it through this video, but my voice is just very cracky this morning. So I apologize in advance. Well, in the beginning of this video, y'all see that I'm showing y'all products that I use in this video on Miss Paislee's hair. Now, these aren't all the products that I normally use. We have some that is missing off of Amazon that we ran out of, so I will have to catch y'all up with that at another time. But I just wanted to point it out because people do ask me certain questions when it comes to the girl's hair, and it's nothing that I use to really make their hair grow. Like it does work like that, the type of grease that I'm talking about, because I did use it too. They had a little nothing major, because they've always pretty much had full hair. They get that from their mama. But no, they've always pretty much had full hair. But I did use this particular grease to fill in a small little patch that they had in the back of their head when they were smaller. It was never nothing major though. It wasn't nothing too bad to cover. So their hair started to fill in and grow really fast with that grease. So that's why I just wanted to point it out. I have been living by it, using it ever since I've been doing their hair, been able to do their hair, and it works wonderful. I love it. So I just had to substitute with the Blue Magic in this video because I didn't have any more of that grease. But anyway, moving on, guys. So we've switched kids today. It is not Miss Paris getting her hair done today. It is Miss Paislee, aka Pepe. And my baby did wonderful. Just like Paris, I started her hair off camera. I detangled and moisturized it. And as I'm sure some of you guys can already tell, that the parting section is already parted out, but that's just because I took out the old style and I just kind of left the parting the way it was. I cleaned it up and left it the way it was. I'm doing a new style but with the same parts, if that makes sense. So I didn't have to just go ahead and repart her hair all over. I be trying to be quick and fast and do what I need to do and make it as simple as possible for me and for the girls, because sorry y'all, because doing two heads, I'm telling you, is whoa. Yeah, but we're doing okay. We're making it. So anyway, proceeding on, guys. Paislee, she did very good. She sat there, she let mommy do her hair. We did have a few issues because she wanted to see everything that I had in my hand before I put it in her head. She wanted to keep turning around. Every time I moved, she wanted to turn around. But other than that, I think we're getting pretty used to this. I think they like the camera. I think they like the lights. I think they just love the whole thing. Especially Paislee. She's a camera girl. She says cheese all the time. So she knows the camera is on her, and maybe it's just helping both the girls be able to just sit and do better with getting their hair done. But also their dad said it's because they're getting older, which is true too. They are getting older, and it's easy to bribe them with, a sippy cup or a snack and turn on their favorite cartoon, and they sit there and they do very well. Paisley, she's just a busybody. She's very attentive, very into everything. You know, she pays attention to detail, and she does not skip a beat on anything. You can't get anything past her. So that's why she was just so, I mean, but we got through it. She did good. She did good. There was no crying, so that's awesome. In the next video, though, the next hair video, I am thinking about just going ahead and doing everything on camera. Being that they're doing so well, I think I will just detangle and moisturize on camera as well, so you guys can see everything. It does make the video shorter when I go ahead and just do all of that off camera, but I think one video would be, you know, nice enough, worth it, to show you guys how I detangle their hair with no tears, no crying, and moisturize their hair. The key is just being gentle, guys. You have to be gentle, and you have to be patient. You have to be patient with these kiddos. So this style, like I said, I am just going off of the old parting from the hairstyle that she had before. And in the next video, I plan to do the same thing with Paris's hair. I am just gonna go off the old parting and do her a new style from there. So we will be having another hair video coming soon, because I already know what I want to do with Paris's hair, and it's time for her hair to be done again. So I think I have covered everything that I want to talk about. As far as this hairstyle, it took about 25 minutes, super easy. That's in real time, not slow down. It is super easy. You don't have to put like all the little knockers and everything like I did. I think this is still a cute hairstyle without the knockers, without the beads and everything, but the hair accessories just add to the style, you know. And I think the hair accessories are so important and so cute for little girls. This mommy right here is big on keeping her daughter's hair together. Like, they are little girls, and I believe that little girls are supposed to look like little girls. So that's why you guys are gonna see so many hairstyle videos, because I do their hair a lot in general. But now that we're into recording, I'm just like, why not just cut on the camera while we do it? So these are definitely going to be some on the regular type of videos that we do. Now, in the next, well, I'm not going to say the next segment of the video, but eventually you're going to see that the ponytail on top of Paislee's head, the one with the knocker at the top, the clear knocker, I decided that I did not like it left like it was. So I ended up taking the knocker off, retwisting, and doing something different, just putting it in the little knot or ball that I always do when I put the knockers on their head, because I feel like it holds, for my daughters anyway, whenever I do that, like the little knots, and twist them up into little balls and then put the knockers around it. I feel like for my daughter's hair, it works so much better that way, because it holds moisture so much longer. Whenever I don't do that, their hair dries out so fast. And I just think it's more of a protective style anyway, twisted up like that. So that's what you've seen me do with that. I was not happy with the way it looked, so I just had to go back and fix that and change it to my liking. But anyway, guys, that's about it with this video. The beads, the knockers, everything, y'all know I bought it from my local beauty supply. They have a ton of different beads and bows. It's a mixture of Amazon and the beauty supply, but majority is the beauty supply. So y'all know y'all can get hair bows and things like that for super cheap. So they have a ton. Like, I have 2 daughters, so it's like I just go ahead and get double everything. Like, even when I'm at the hair store, if I get 1 pack of beads, I'm like, okay, I need 2, so that's how we do it. Anyway, guys, I'm finna get off of here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. We had a good time. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, please make sure that you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video, so you don't miss anything, okay? And also, if you guys would do me a big favor, if you found this video helpful, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and stick around to the end so y'all can see the ending of the video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.